The Nothing earphones. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, the Nothing earphones. They're transparent earphones. They've got a transparent little charging case, but these are the Nothing Ear 3. So they're $179. They come with a little charging case. It's clear, super cute. So I just want to open it up, look at it, and then we'll talk about specs once we get to looking at it. Shall we? Ooh, here we go. Oh, that's so fancy. Look at that. Oh, that's so sick. Look at that, dude. Oh, that's so clean. Actually, really very impressed. Much impressed. It says talk. And then there's a little keychain probably. I think that's what that's for. There's the hinge. Type C. That's so sick. Look at that. What else do we get in here? Type C cable. That's fancy. It's all labeled and everything. Extra small, small, large. So there's your loadout. But yeah, it feels high class, man. These things are $179, but you know, when I open it up and I look at it, I feel justified in the $179 price, and I haven't even opened it yet. Like, that is impressive. I just want to stick this right in my ear right now. That's fancy, dude. Look at that. I love clear. I love translucent. In the back, it's just clear through the case, so you're seeing the back of the headphone through it. You can see the little magnet that's holding it in the case right there. Wow. Dude, OnePlus is always on some cool shit, man. So I'm not surprised by these guys. I'm gonna try them out without the app and just see if I can just connect them to my phone, and then we're gonna try out the app. But I wanna see if it just works, because some people don't like using the app. It supposedly has in-ear sensors, so it can tell when it's inside your ear. It's got 45 decibels noise cancellation. See if we can hear that or not. Yeah? Oh. Oh. You never realize noise cancellation's on until you try and talk and it sounds like you're inside your head. Does it look clean or what? Or do I look like a nerd, be honest? Oh yeah, it's pretty small. Is it gonna fall out? I mean, it's not gonna fall out. I have them both in. It sounds like I'm underwater. The sound of my voice sounds really weird, you know? Sounds like Squidward in my head. Extra, more than usual. But they fit in there nice. It feels good just walking around, you know? All right, let's see if I can connect my phone to it just via Bluetooth. Okay, I have the music going. Okay, connected really quick. Nice Bluetooth 5.4. Oh, the sound quality is so good. I really like this song too. I'll at least put them on, put it on the desk so you can kind of hear maybe a little bit what it sounds like. They get pretty loud, so. So it's got a breakthrough super mic. It's got 24-bit high-res LDAC audio, 45 decibel noise cancellation. Definitely feel that right now. Can barely hear my voice at all. It comes with an app called the Nothing X app, which we'll talk about in a second. It's got 12mm dynamic drivers. It supports dual connection. It's got Bluetooth 5.4. The earbuds have a lot of different controls. They have different pinch controls. I'll put some of them up on the screen. There's a whole list of them on the website. A bunch of different controls. You can tap it, play, pause, anything you want to do. When you're calling, when you're listening to music, you could just use the little controls on the side. And that's pretty much it when it comes to specs. They're pretty simple. They're the Nothing earphones. There's nothing wrong with them. I really like the way they feel. I've been wearing them just, you know, in the video, just kind of see how they feel after a long time. They feel pretty good. I don't have any issues. So let's go ahead and download the Nothing X app and we'll take a look through that, see if we can edit some EQs and stuff like that. That's pretty much it. But I really like these. I definitely think they're worth the $179 so far. And if you don't want to use the app, then you don't have to. I just connected them. It was instant, no app required. But let's see what extra goodies the app will give us. Oh, their app's so fancy. Allow. Connect. How to use your device. Introducing Super Mic. Crystal clear voice calls at the push of a button wherever you are. Oh, that's what the talk thing is on the side. It says talk. Oh, so you could just, it's like a little pager kind of, almost, sort of deal. You can just hit this to answer your phone calls. Oh, what? The Super Mic is a breakthrough microphone built into the case, designed to cut through background noise. Using Super Mic, press and hold the talk button to use Super Mic. Release the button to return to the earbuds mic. Hands-free Super Mic. Double press the talk button to use Super Mic for longer conversations. Cool. Okay, so let's just take a look at what we get. Left ear, right ear, you get the battery percentage. You get transparency, different noise cancellation modes. You get no... Oh my god. It just got so quiet. It did like a weird sound effect, and then it just got like dead silent inside my head. Okay, so that wasn't even noise cancellation mode. That was transparency mode. Oh, that's what that sighing was. It was the transparency mode turning on. It went when it turns on, and then the noise cancellation goes like boom. It's okay, and then just turn it off. It just does a little beepity boop to turn off. Okay, cool. Okay, what else do we get in here? We got a bunch of account information. We got our different settings in here. Change the theme, change it to light. I'm gonna keep it on dark. Unit settings, not gonna worry about that. You can update your stuff here. It's got some health information. What else can we do? Okay, so you can scroll up here, and then you can change spatial audio. You can have it fixed or off. You have your Super Mic on or off. Your bass enhancement, that's going on for sure. You can go level 5, level 1 through 5. I'm going to keep it at 3. Personal sound profile, you can make your own here. Personal sound profile, you have your EQ. These are a bunch of different ones that are preloaded, like you have pop music one, passionate rock, soft atmosphere, classical hall. You can do it yourself. You can adjust each level, each frequency, however you want. And then you can also just do simple ones like more bass, more treble, voice. You want to hear more voice in a song, whatever you want. So there's your equalizer settings. And then you can mess with your control settings. We already looked at that. You can turn low lag mode on, dual connection, connecting multiple devices at once. You got your device settings here, auto transparency mode, in-ear detection mode is on. But there's some about information in case you need your serial number or anything like that. But yeah, everything worked. The active noise cancellation was kind of crazy. The in-ear, that works when you stop and start. Just nothing earphone, you know? I don't know what to say about them. They're awesome. They felt really nice while wearing them for a long period of time. It's got a little dedicated talk button. I don't know. I really love these, and I love OnePlus phones. I love the ideas behind these guys. They definitely know what they're doing. They build stuff to last. So if you want to check them out, I'll leave a link for them in the description. Like I said, they're $179. So if you like clear, transparent tech, you just want a nice pair of active noise cancellation headphones from a really cool tech brand. Just something different, something new, something that everybody else doesn't have. Then click link in description. Buy $179. Definitely worth, if you're thinking about buying it and you're like, is it worth $179? It's worth $179. It's easily worth $200. Like if I got these and I paid $200 for them, I wouldn't be mad. They definitely exceeded my expectations. So if you like them, feel free to leave a like, show some love in the comments for nothing. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next tech review. Hope to see you around. We got plenty more headphone videos, tech review videos coming. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.